Hello guys, how are you? This is your teacher Haris Butt, and I am back again in front of you after a very long time because of the reason that I was waiting for some teachers, some of my brothers to upload the guests for accounting O levels, AS and A2. But unfortunately it didn't happen. Doesn't matter at all. I will continue to give you my feedback regarding the guests of O levels and AS and A2 level, and I am trying to inculcate all my knowledge, all my expertise in you and for you. So let's talk about first that what happened in the last year in May-June attempt. I have uploaded the guests for O levels, AS and A2. Do you think that it has worked? Yes. So many students have given me the remarks from all over the world, from Australia, from New Zealand, from UK, from Bangladesh, India, Sri Lanka, and Nepal. And I'm extremely grateful to all those students who supported me all the way through. Listen, if the guest will not come, the repercussions of that particular thing is going to be handled by me. And if you think that I have done something wrong, then all the guesses are already available on my YouTube channel, Learn Accounting with Sir Haris. You can go and you can see that either the guess has come or not. Having said this, after the guess has come, do you think the grade threshold should have gone up? No, it has gone even more. It has decreased even more. So it means that guess will work only for those students who are working properly, who are basically doing the past papers in the right direction. Those teachers who are working on the past papers and they are making the student understand the concepts, and at least 5 to 10 year past papers they have gone through, they are capable to attempt the papers and get good score in the subject. The P3 for A levels, the grade threshold was only 42 out of 75. Still, even the guess has come. Grade threshold has decreased in P3 and P4 both. For O levels, for the purpose I'm uploading this video, we need to get 58 out of 100, and I predicted the same grade threshold on my YouTube channel. But for variant 21, that was for variant 22, it was 46 out of 100. Can you imagine? 46 out of 100. And in one question, he has basically merged 4 topics: accruals, capital, revenue, expenditure, ratios, and disposal also. Let's talk about the thing for which we are here, for the thing which I am here in front of you, and that is for the guess of 7707 variant 22 for accounting O levels paper 2, which is going to examine you on 9th of October. Variant 22, 7707 and 0452 IGCSE, both are the same. You know that already, right? And I have uploaded all the past papers on my YouTube channel. There are 700 videos altogether in which I have solved every and single past paper. So let's talk about the guess. The first question which is going to come in the paper is from cash book and bank reconciliation statement. Not petty cash book and bank reconciliation statement. Second question number 2 is from control accounts and provision for doubtful debts. For that particular purpose, I am giving you an idea, and keep that in your mind. Control accounts and provision for doubtful debts. Do the past papers of October, November 22, both variants, for provision for doubtful debts. There are very difficult questions which has come in October, November 22, variant 22 and variant 23. There are 2 questions which you need to solve for this October, November attempt, either for 2-1 or for 2-2. But currently I am giving guess for 2-2. So second question, control account and provision for doubtful debts. The third question will basically come from errors, error and suspense. But if the question will come from to prepare corrected trial balance, then this question will come as a 5th question. So the third question will come from errors and suspense. Otherwise, it will move towards the 5th question, and it will become, the question will ask you to prepare corrected trial balance. 4th question will come from company accounts, and you have to prepare statement of changes in equity, or it may be possible that some part of balance sheet may be required in company accounts. The 5th question will come from non-profit organization. Always remember that that is a complete question of non-profit organization, and you have to do receipt and payment account also. It might not come in the paper, but you have to do receipt and payment account also along with non-profit organization, right? And one topic which I'm going to give you an extra topic, obviously, that is final account of sole trader. Final account of sole trader is quite easy, because if you have gone through final account of sole trader, partnership final accounts, or company final accounts, you might be able to attempt that final account of sole trader question very easily, right? So that is an extra question which I am giving. What was the reason behind? I am going to tell you. I am not familiar, I am not used to give guess of October-November variants. I have just started to give guess of October-November session, October-November attempt since the last 1.5 years. So I am not very much used to that. As soon as I have a good grip and good vast knowledge and the perception what has come in the mind of the examiner, then I'll be more focused and I'll be very willing to give the confirmed guess. Though it is already, I have made up my mind and I have prepared it in full swing by giving a lot of time to the past papers and working on examiner reports and other so many things. So don't worry, but one more question I have given just to have just to secure yourself, right? So thank you very much, and do subscribe my channel, Learn Accounting with Sir Haris, and take good care of yourself and your family. And remember that I am going to go for a workshop. It is a paid workshop, but very negligible amount, for 2 hours. And that workshop, in that particular workshop, I will solve the whole paper, which is going to come in the October-November attempt on 9th October. Not the same paper, obviously, but same type of paper which I have developed. I will solve that paper with you. So register yourself for 9th, for the paper, for the October-November attempt, paper 2, accounting, on 9th, which is going to happen on 9th October. So do attend my workshop, which is very important for you. I am also available on Noon app. You can also consult them for the same reason, because we are working together with them also. Join my physical classes and online on Green Hall Academy, Barbatown campus and Johor Town campus. You can find lot of many special things regarding the subject, about grade threshold and many other matters regarding accounting, O and A levels. Thank you very much.